Ever since I was 5 years old, I got to go to the Alaska State Trooper Academy, and I got to see what they got to do, which really inspired me. It's fun. It's really fun.
I could see myself in this career in investigative work. I grew up watching forensic TV shows, and that's got me interested in it.
It was my dream to be a police officer since I was a little kid. Swabbing the DNA and the footprint, that's pretty cool.
We're close. We're getting close. We got the DNA swabs, we got the fingerprints, we got the shoe imprints, which is probably going to shrink later. We're getting close.
I see a future in this because getting to do the aspects of crime scenes and meeting new people would be fun, and I hope to get into the Alaska State Troopers one day. This job really inspires me a lot.